Sure. Here are the benefits of mind-body workouts like Pilates in a nutshell. Physical benefits: core strength, strengthens core muscles, flexibility, enhances flexibility and range of motion. Posture improves posture and alignment. Back pain reduces back pain. Injury prevention lowers risk of injuries. Mental benefits: stress reduction, promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Focus enhances mental clarity and concentration. Mood boosts mood and overall sense of well-being. Overall well-being. Body awareness increases understanding of body mechanics. Rehabilitation supports recovery from injuries. Have you tried Pilates before, or are you thinking about starting?